Today we will learn about food, from A for apple to Z for zucchini. So watch the video till the end. Let's go, Annie!
These are apples. Red, yummy apples. Wow! Carrot!
Wow! Carrot! Let's wash it. Chop, chop! Smells good.
Donut!
Look! It is floating!
Wow! I'll get the sprinkles.
Squeezing the chocolate. Sprinkle rain! We make a great team.
Egg! Egg!
First, let's crack this. Now it's your turn to whisk it, Annie. Let's pour it into the colorful pan. Look how fluffy it is getting. French fries! French fries! Let's make some magic. Time for the seasoning.
Don't forget the ketchup. Grapes! Grapes!
Grapes! Look at these magical grapes.
Let's make some juice.
Squeeze them, Annie.
Wow, so many bubbles. Hamburger! Wow! Ice cream! Jam! Jam!
Kiwi! Kiwi! Look at this perfect kiwi!
I'm making a delicious salad.
Ta-da!
Lemon! Mango!
Look at this giant, juicy mango!
This is going to be delicious. Noodles!
Wow, they are really dancing.
Orange! Orange! Pizza! I can't wait to eat this. Let's add the mushrooms. Quinoa! The vegetables are ready. Let's add the be delicious. Rice! Wow! Strawberry! Tomato! Udon! Vegetables! Let's make this the most ever! Perfect! Yum, yum, yum in my tummy. Watermelon! Watermelon! Exo sauce! Exo sauce! Wow, this XO sauce smells absolutely incredible! It is going to be super delicious. Let's share some with all of our friends. Yogurt! The strawberries. I'm putting big blueberries. And don't forget the sweet honey. Now we stir it all up. Zucchini! Let's slice this fresh zucchini. And flip it. These look absolutely delicious. So today we learned about A to Z foods and cooked them all. I hope you enjoyed lots. If you liked the video, share and subscribe the channel. Bye-bye. See you soon.